So hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you that how you can use Gate.io feature hold and up to 100% APY on different coins. Okay, so you can earn 100% APY on QNX platform token QNX and with their token their protocol with their token and you can earn 100% APY. So their staking is going to start after some time. So make sure to sign up as soon as possible and join this hold and feature as soon as possible. So today before starting my video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to join my telegram group. Okay, so I have given the link in the description to make sure to join the telegram group so that you can earn get updates. Okay, so first of all you have to sign up on Gate.io. So if you don't have account on Gate.io, I have given the link in the description to make sure to create account through my link. So if you create account through my link, you will get extra $50 okay, on just sign up. So make sure to sign up through my link. So let's start a video. So first of all you have to download Gate.io app from Play Store, and when you so I will open this exchange. Okay, so I just have to click on here, and you can see that you can see the interface of Gate.io exchange. So you just have to click on here. You can see my balance is 54. You can see that my balance is $54, and you can see my today return. Okay, so you just have to have to click on here Gate.io finance. Okay, so I just click on here, and you can see all the different options you can do on Gate.io finance. So Gate.io finance is one of the oldest exchange in the world, and you can trust them a lot. Okay, so I just have to click on hold and earn. So I click on hold and here you can see all the tokens that you can stake and earn 100% APY. So here are three options: active, upcoming and finished. Okay, so in the active section you can see all the active tokens you can stake and earn 100% APY. Okay, so here are the different coins that are available right now to stake. Okay, so but QNX platform token QNX and their token is in upcoming section. Okay, upcoming section. So I would click on upcoming, and you can see that QNX platform QAN token lock up and earn number 3 14 days. So you can lock your token for 14 days and earn 100% APY. Okay, so total amount is total these tokens you can stake. Okay, so you can see all the here you can see all the tokens that you can stake and Ariva token. So Ariva token lockup and then will be open in 2 days. Yeah, here you can see that it will be open in 2 days. So after 2 days you can just stake you can just stake your tokens and 100% APY for 40 days. Okay, so here you can see that Solace token SLC also available, and BTC also available, but their token hold and is coming on is coming after 4 days. So after 4 days you can lock up your Vadere tokens and earn 100% APY. Okay, so for example QANX staking will be open in 45 minutes right now after this. Okay, so I just have to, if you want to stake your token, you just have to click on here, and you can see the interface of you can see all the details of the lockup program. Okay, so you can see you will get 100% APY, and this lockup period is 14 days, and start time is here, and remaining are these tokens. Okay, means total these tokens can be staked here. Okay, so for example, if I click on, if you want to stake, you just have to enter your tokens, and you can just click on subscribe when this open after 14 minutes. Okay, you can see this will open after 14 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes. Okay, so after 45 minutes you just have to enter your coins, and you can just click on subscribe, and your tokens will be locked up for 14 days, and after and you can see that after 14 days you will enjoy your rewards. Okay, so you can simply earn passive income right now, and you can see all the details. You can minimum stake 5, you can minimum stake, you can stake minimum 500 tokens, and you can stake maximum 85 tokens, right? 85,000 tokens. Okay, so here are the details. So here you can see, here you can simply join different tokens, hold and enjoy up to 100% APY. So for example, you want to stake a reward token, you just have to click on here, and you can simply enter the tokens, how many tokens you want to stake. So make sure to see the minimum amount that you can stake. Okay, so you cannot stake 3000 reward tokens, you have to stake more than 3666 tokens. So these are the details on how you can earn the passive income on your coins. Okay, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you love the video, and make sure to create a account through my link, so that you can get extra $50 on your new user bonus. Okay, so that's all in this video. Will meet you in our next video. So make sure to join the my telegram group. Okay, so that's all in this video. Take care.